Moneydance versus Moneyspire. Choosing the right personal finance software can completely change how you manage your money without the stress of confusing tools. We'll look at both options briefly to help you decide. Moneydance and Moneyspire are popular personal finance applications designed to simplify money management. The core difference is Moneydance's focus on powerful desktop features, while Moneyspire offers a more streamlined cross-platform experience with cloud syncing. Moneydance is a comprehensive desktop-based personal finance software that supports Windows, Mac, and Linux. It works by importing bank transactions automatically or manually, allowing users to track budgets, investments, and bills in one place. Its strengths include robust reporting tools, investment tracking, and support for multiple currencies, making it ideal for users with complex financial portfolios. Moneydance also offers strong security by storing data locally, which appeals to privacy-conscious users. However, its interface can feel dated and overwhelming for beginners, and it lacks dedicated mobile apps, relying instead on third-party sync solutions. Overall, Moneydance suits users who prefer a feature-rich desktop application with advanced financial tracking and are comfortable navigating a more traditional interface. Moneyspire is a personal finance software designed for Windows, Mac, and mobile devices, emphasizing ease of use and cross-device syncing. It works by connecting to financial institutions for automatic transaction downloads or manual entry, helping users manage budgets, bills, and accounts with a clean, modern interface. Strengths include seamless cloud syncing across devices, straightforward budgeting tools, and multi-currency support. Moneyspire's mobile apps allow users to manage finances on the go, which is a key advantage over Moneydance. However, it offers fewer investment tracking features and less detailed reporting compared to Moneydance. Moneyspire is ideal for users who want a simple, visually appealing interface with accessible mobile access and cloud synchronization, making it a great choice for everyday personal finance management without complex features. Moneydance excels in detailed financial management with powerful desktop tools, perfect for users managing investments or multiple currencies who value local data control. In contrast, Moneyspire focuses on simplicity and mobility, offering cloud syncing and mobile apps for users who need flexible access across devices. If you prefer advanced reports and local security, Moneydance is the better fit. For those prioritizing ease of use and managing finances from a phone or tablet, Moneyspire stands out. The trade-off is between depth of features and convenience. Moneydance requires more setup and learning, while Moneyspire offers a smoother, more modern experience, but with fewer advanced options. Choose Moneydance if you need comprehensive desktop finance management with advanced investment tracking and prefer keeping your data stored locally for added security. Moneyspire is the best choice if you want a simple, user-friendly interface with cloud syncing and mobile access for managing your finances anytime, anywhere. Both tools serve different needs, so pick the one that fits your financial habits best.